Hello, my name is Ivan. I'm the Dongguan Insertion Machinery CEO. Today we introduce our automatic clinching factory workshop. So we have successful here is we will visit some new generation. Before we see the machine, we saw some product. Many nuts, the big parts and small nuts, and double side. This is the start. So this is a special things. They have many nuts, fasteners. Also, this is we call it the step. It's a field. We call it energy storage. For example, this part is in a computer, or we call it the 5G servo. The outside is very nice because this is a no hole, so we can keep. This is very nice, and the leg start widening, but not start widening because it's well aluminum, so we can make insertion the parts automatically. And the new solution to make the aluminum parts is no mark, everything is fine. So we use best is not hydraulic clinching. It's we use the servo control. So the servo motor, electrical servo motor can give the good result. We see this is a very heavy. For me is to put in 100 times. It's not possible. So we do this. See, this is M4 BSO, and this is 4.5 BSO. Okay, today, let's go. This customer is from Netherlands. They get a big order, so in this parts they need to make insertion different FHM6 in the panel. Let's see another machine. Here is assembly. Now we have another very big requirement application. Let me to show you. Okay, then welcome to our Dongguan Insertion Machinery. We are your supplier of the insertion. Thank you.